morning, everybody. What is up? Welcome back to 6th Gear Auto. My name is Sam. Today is Cars and Coffee at TGE. Now, I've been here one time before, and that was with the really shitty camera. I just saw the purple Pista roll by, so I already know this is going to be a good day. But I'm going to show you all everything, because this is going to be crazy. There's the purple Pista in all of its glory. That is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Got an R8 and an R8 and an R8. Oh, but the Pista. Seriously, seeing all these cars here, I need to get something powerful someday. I have no idea though. I'm a huge fan of the Alfa Romeo GTV, and it's just such a pretty car. God, I love this. Quadrifoglio, but it's wrapped in this like neon green, and it's so pretty. My God. Also, what? You gotta see this. What the hell? Now, battle between super sedans. Which would you go with? This green Quadrifoglio or the Taycan 4S? So we've got not one, but two SLC Superlights. We've got the one with the giant wing, and then we've got the one with the more factory bumper. But these things are just crazy. They're pretty much the closest thing to a race car you can get for road use. And this white one is just incredible looking. We've got the C8 Corvette here again. And God, I think it's such a pretty car. I can't get over how amazing these look in person. Got the Delta Integrale Evo in yellow. My God, it's so cool. I love seeing these things. Like, I never saw them until I moved here, and now I've seen like 3 or 4 of them, and it's just awesome. We got the V-Spec R33 from the car cruise a few weeks ago. I think I finally found Keith's car, the M4. God, I love how pretty these things are. Yas Marina Blue is the absolute best color. The Rabbit truck. The Red Sport Infinity, which is seriously one of the prettiest usable cars I can think of. Got an M6 Grand Coupe, Chevy SS, and an SS converted fully into the Holden model, including the taillights even. Dayat Leon is here again, like at the Best Buy meet a few days ago. And the 1552 racing wheels. Most people probably don't know what these things are, and I love that I do. Thank you, Forza. This is seriously cool though. One of 501 Dodge Charger Hellcat wide-body Daytona. One of 501 of these, and this is the second time I've seen it now. So that's pretty cool. Wait, that's an APR Stage 3. As they drive off.
Why buy a truck out of it?
VR6 Corrado on Borbit wheels. Man, that is a perfect setup. God, I love how that looks. Amphicar! God, I love these things. And now my ears hurt. Wide body Hellcat, wide body Hellcat, and wide body Daytona. The drone chasing it down. Do a pull. Dang it, no pull. Oh, damn. Oh, a Taycan. Okay, another Taycan's here. That's crazy. Daytona's back. For some reason. Nope, that is not. Wait, that is the R8.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
Andrew. It's so loud for no reason. There's seriously 4 cops here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 down there. Why are there so many cops here when there's really no one left? this thing. God, I love the Amphicar. And now I don't want to hear anymore. God, that sounds so mean. Full Army Tricks exhaust. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This is a pretty crazy day. Some cool cars, but I'm gonna leave this video here. So if you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye bye.